This is really fun.
Hey guys, it's Bailey and I am back to share some of the amazing new items that you can choose for your fall 2022 box.
Make sure to stick around until the end because I have a code to help you save some money on your box. All right, let's get started. So first, this is the MUDMASKY Vitamin A Booster Blue Clay Mask. This mask is fragrance free, and let me tell you, I used it the other night and my skin felt so refreshed afterwards. And then the next morning I woke up and my skin was like glowing. I could not believe what this mask did. It's also a really beautiful color, blue. If anybody loves having like bright colored masks, I don't know why, I do. I think it's more fun. It's pore refining, smoothing, firming, tightening, and brightening. And let me tell you, it does all of those things really, really well. All right, let's open this bad boy up so I can show you how beautiful it is. It feels so good on your skin. You just apply a thin layer to your face, leave it on for 7 minutes for dry skin, or 9 minutes for normal skin, and 11 minutes for oily skin. And then you just wash it off with cold water. I personally think that cold water feels really good. You'll feel it slightly tingle, which means that it's working. When you're done, just pat your face and then continue with your normal nighttime routine. Take it from me, there is nothing better than unwinding with a mask and some trash reality TV. I'm currently watching 90 Day Fiancé. Let me know which reality TV shows you're binging in the comments and what you want to watch when you're unwinding with this mask.
We have the Dr. Brandt Hydrating Essence. This is a toner alternative. I've actually been using this a lot lately. You just spray it on to a nice clean face. It gives you a nice glow. It keeps your skin hydrated and it really helps with that no makeup look, you know, coming off of the summer when our skin is dry and been in the sun for months on end. This is definitely a much needed thing in your skincare routine to keep your skin hydrated and glowing while you go into the fall season. This is super easy to apply. It's just a nice mist. You do 3 to 4 spritzes on your face, and then I just pat it into my skin. It leaves me feeling refreshed, hydrated, ready to go for the day. Definitely just an amazing part of your skincare routine. And it doesn't have a scent or anything like that, so if you're sensitive to smell, no worries about this.
All right, so the To The Market Wool Dryer Balls set of 3. These bad boys improve and speed up the drying process by separating items in your dryer as they dry. I have to tell you, I was the most excited for these simply because I absolutely hate when you're washing your bedding and you pull your duvet cover out and all of a sudden you have like a crumpled up pillowcase in the corner that was just kind of stuck there and it's damp. But these guys, they go in and they separate all of your laundry. They make sure that nothing gets tangled into each other. Another really awesome thing about this is they make your comforters so plush and fluffy, like hotel level comforters. If you can't tell, like when I saw these, I was so excited because I'm gonna have hotel bedding after using these. Also, they are great for the environment because you don't have to keep buying new dryer sheets every time you run out. These, you can just pop them in. It comes in this drawstring bag, and these balls are made from 100% New Zealand wool. They are going to make your laundry so soft, so plush, and I'm so excited to hear how much you guys love them.
Next up, we have the Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream. I'm really big about making sure my under eyes are nice and hydrated. If you didn't know, you need to start wearing eye cream at like the age of 18, okay ladies? Do not neglect the skin under your eyes. And this has such great ingredients in it, such as cucumber, aloe vera. It's hydrating, it relieves puffiness. And pro tip, if you leave it in the fridge, it does help to further depuff. So treat it like a snack to continue looking like a snack. All right, a little bit goes a long way. It's nice and smooth on the skin. Smells like cucumber. Again, really refreshing, really hydrating. This is made in the UK. It is vegan, so definitely a great choice for your skincare routine.
All right, so next I'm gonna talk about the Skin Chemists London Pure Collagen Biphase Serum. This collagen serum improves the appearance of skin's texture and firmness. It brightens, hydrates, and smooths. I am big on having aesthetically pleasing serums and moisturizers on my counter. When friends come over, I want them to walk into my bathroom and feel like they're at a hotel. And this bottle really helps that. It's absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love the way it makes my skin feel. I feel so refreshed after I use it. There's no noticeable scent. So again, you want to shake to activate, which is fun. It is super light. It's almost like a watery consistency, so it's not very thick or oily. You can barely even tell that I have it on my hand, which again is great because it just sinks into your skin so easily, and then you can follow it up with whatever other skincare routine you want, maybe something a little bit heavier for nighttime, or you can just put your sunscreen and leave the house and have a great day. Either way, it's the perfect addition to your routine.
All right, next we have the Daily Concepts Hammam Mitt bundle. I really am a huge fan of exfoliation. I will die on this hill. It is a great way to keep your skin nice and clean and refreshed. It's inspired by a Turkish bath exfoliating mitt. If you guys have never taken a Turkish bath, it is an experience. As I said, we are all about bringing this luxury skincare experience right to your home, and this is a great way to do it. As we are coming off of summer and we are getting back into our self-tanning, fake tanning era because we want to get that nice glow all year, this is a great addition to help you prep for your tan and also remove your fake tan. Ladies, there's no shame. We love fake tanning here, so make sure it is going on as evenly and beautifully as possible and have this help you out with that. This grooming mitt is for smaller, specifically for harder to reach areas that you want to make sure are also getting exfoliated. So this is the bigger mitt. It's super easy to use. As you can see, it will cover a lot of surface areas, so like your legs, your arms. You just simply get it wet in a shower or a bath, and then you'll gently scrub away all the dead skin. It'll be a little gross at first, but I promise once you rinse it off, you're going to feel nice and refreshed and rejuvenated.
Okay, so next I'm gonna talk about the BLAQ Pumpkin Fresh Peepers. Everyone loves pumpkin for fall, and I am part of that club. But I especially love these because I am a huge fan of eye masks. I personally put mine in the refrigerator. There is nothing more calming and more zen than putting on a cold eye mask. These ones contain hyaluronic acid, which depuff and detox. Everybody can use that. So this is what they look like. They come in this ready-to-use pack. You just rip it open, take them out, place them on your eyes, and relax. Use them up to 2 times per week, and they come with a set of 5. They also stay on really well. I know the last time I had these on, they did not slide off at all. I was bending down, I was doing laundry, I was walking my dog, I was cleaning my counters. They stayed on the entire time. I honestly forgot I was even wearing them. I walked past a mirror and was like, these guys are still on? I absolutely love these, and I'm so excited to hear about how you guys love them too. All right, guys, I'm gonna talk about the Daily Concepts Daily Hair Towel Wrap. I absolutely love this. It helps reduce frizz. It helps cut down on drying time, which I don't know about you. I have a full head of hair and it takes forever for my hair to dry. I absolutely love these. I think that what a lot of women, at least for me, struggle with is whenever you put a towel on your head, it's so heavy, you bend down, it comes undone, you can't get anything done, you're trying to get ready. You need this. If you're like me, you need this. I put this on, it stayed on the entire time I was doing my makeup. I had a face mask on going at the same time. I was living my best life. This thing is amazing. It also is great for split ends. It can be used on almost any length or texture of hair. So this is what it looks like. It's super easy. You just tilt your head upside down. I'm not gonna do it right now because I will ruin my hair. You just put this bad boy on your head and then you twist this. There's this button that just holds everything in place. For a full look at all of the items you can choose this season, make sure you customize your fall box.
You can head over to the community forum to see all of the product details and see what members are saying about these products and which ones they're gonna choose.
And that code that I promised in the beginning is customize.
Let me know what you're picking in the comments below, and I will see you next season.
Bye.